Well, we didn't bother going because the weather doesn't know what it wants to do. It's misty, it's foggy, it's not, it is. Yeah. So, I guess we'll do some things for the next few hours and go to the auction, see what they got down there. Hopefully it don't get rained out. Probably will. I got a poncho. Bought one last week in one of the lots. So, I'm going to go prune some of these branches off that I've been meaning to get to down there that the brush hog didn't take out. And I guess we'll plant these tomato plants we got at the auction. These 5 right here in the black pots. Alright, get these beefsteaks in the ground. And get the cucumbers planted because I'm sure they're ready to pop. Let's go check. I know they've been ready to go in the ground, we've just been lazy. Well, not lazy, but you know, there's always a million things to do, right? Kind of want to take the starter out of that parts truck too, so I can have it to put in the donkey. Donkey's still dead in the driveway. Well, I gotta plug this back in anyway because it's supposed to get sunny and hot today. I'll give it power back. It'll get watered at 3 o'clock. Yeah, these things got to get out of here. They're getting too big. Some of the tomatoes are coming up, scattered around. A little bit here, a little bit here. There's the bell peppers. These are all bell peppers too. Peppers take a long time to germinate. I don't know why, but they do. What about the jalapenos? I got a couple going. And a couple of them starting. I can probably put some of this romaine and black seeded Simpson out there too. Might want to give it a little bit longer. Let it get a little bigger in here. Alright. It's pretty misty. Misty fellas out here. Pretty good, that's for sure. Alright, we'll come back. Something interesting happens. I think we got this charger at the auction the other day. It's working. So, that's good. This is some other stuff I found last night. Another Dyson, but it's... I don't know. Something's missing on there, I think. Something's going on with it. It's a pink one, though. Maybe nothing's missing. I don't know. We might try that. Take it to the flea, see if it sells. This dog cage is all bent up. Looks like they ran it over. I took the tray out of it though in case I find another one that is a good, because you find them all the time. They're good cages, but there's no tray. See how bent it is? There's no trays in them, so whatever. I'll keep the tray. Getting ready for the go to the auction. Wow, that hurted. Kind of hooked on there. So we'll get this stuff emptied out. There you go. Get some coffee. I'll probably take some motors apart and make up a load of copper, take in. I got some number 2 up in the garage. I got quite a few motors here I can take apart real quick. There's one back there and a couple up in the garage. So I guess we'll do that. And then it's empty. Then we'll go to the auction and see what we can buy. A couple people asked about the box. I still didn't get to popping it open yet, but it's here. I didn't scrap it. Like I said, I think there's a chain in it, but I'm gonna have to drill the locks out. I mean, whatever. I probably should still be able to sell it if I drill the locks out. You know, you can't lock it up, but somebody might want it. You can always put your own locks in it, I guess, right? Somehow. It's pretty hooped, but it's cool. Da claw. I did these strings a couple years ago. up here on the pergola, or whatever you want to call it, and put this green fence on the railing here. And it looks really cool in the summertime when they grow up and start climbing up them. As long as we can remember to water them, and you know, once stuff gets hectic around here, some stuff really gets forgotten about. You know, not forgotten about, but just neglected slightly, just a little bit. Oh, last year we did 3 tomato plants in each tire. I think this year I'm just going to do 2. So once we get another plant out here, I'll put it over here and tie this one together. I like doing this because then you can tie the tomato cages together with some zip ties, and it makes them really sturdy. You know, you don't have to worry about staking them into the ground. But yeah, it's one step. It looks like our tarp on our water tank is pretty much had it. Jeez. The plan is I'm probably going to get some roofing tar, take this tarp off, and just paint this thing with roofing tar. But that's on the list. You know, that really long list. It's on there somewhere. I don't remember what number it is, but somewhere about the middle. Blackberries are starting to go. I don't know what's going on with that one down the end. Maybe the moles ate the roots. See him? It's kind of spindly. Doesn't really have any leaves on them. But maybe it's just a late bloomer, right? Alright, well, I guess I'm going to sign off here. Try to get this one uploaded before I got to leave. We're leaking some gas. I won't be losing gas. Yeah, this has been a good mower, man. It's only a residential model, but, you know, this thing's served us well, man. It's cut the grass for many a years. I think we got this in about 2005 or so. So it's old, 13 years old or so, 14 years old. I've replaced all the tires on it randomly, one year, one the other year. These two front ones I replaced 2 years ago, and I replaced them with run flats because I was tired of dealing with them. I remember when my dad moved in with us, I had a brand new tire on there. It was literally 2 days old. First time he took this out to go cut the grass, he hit some sort of root or something from one of the blueberry fields, blew the tire right out. I was like, Jesus. Oh, brand new tire. Oh. Yeah, it's been a good machine. I think my next one's going to be a stander, though. I'd like to get me one of those Wrights. You know, maybe like a 50 something, maybe even a 61. Someday. All right. All right, I think we'll end it there. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll take some video at the auction tonight and see what's popping off, but that'll be tomorrow's video, because by the time I get home it'll be too late. I'm just going to want to go to bed. Alright, let me get back to cutting grass. Cut grass until I run out of gas. Yeah. Later.